In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the rear control arm from Mazda 3 2009 to 2013. This is the rear control arm. The adjustment bolt can use to adjust the rear suspension geometry. The reinforced bushing can increase suspension stiffness and response, and improves handling. The following are the tools required for replacing the rear control arm. Large F-type extension bar. Large torque wrench. Large swivel socket. 19mm deep socket. Large long extension bar. Medium ratcheting wrench. Large impact electric wrench. Large short extension bar. 13mm wrench. 32mm open-end wrench. 27mm open-end wrench. Large 15mm deep socket. Medium 6mm hex bit. Use the 19mm deep socket with the F-type extension bar. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use the 19mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench to remove the rear wheel lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Use the 15mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench. Remove the knuckle retaining bolt of the upper control arm. Remove the bolt. Use the 15mm deep socket with the swivel socket and long extension bar with electric impact wrench. Remove the upper control arm and rear subframe retaining bolt. Remove the control arm. Here is the comparison of old versus new rear control arm. During installation, we need to adjust the length of the new one to match the old one. Align the mounting holes. Use the 27mm open-end wrench. With the 32mm open-end wrench, loosen the adjustment nut. After loosening the adjustment bolt, align the adjustment bolt holes to match. Then tighten the nut. Continue using the same tools to lock down the adjustment nut. Use the 6mm hex bit with the medium ratcheting wrench and the 13mm wrench. Tighten the through bolt on top of the control arm. After adjusting and setting, install the rear control arm. Install the retaining bolt. Use the 15mm deep socket with the swivel socket and large long extension bare electric impact wrench. Electric impact wrench. Tighten the control arm and rear subframe retaining bolt. Install the knuckle retaining bolt on the control arm. Use the 15mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench. Tighten the control arm to knuckle retaining bolt. Use the 15mm deep socket with the swivel socket and large, long extension bar with torque wrench. Tighten the control arm retaining bolt. Tightening torque, 112 Nm, 83 foot-pounds. Use the 15mm deep socket. With the large short extension bar and torque wrench, tighten the control arm retaining bolt. Tightening torque, 112 Nm, 83 foot-pounds. Install the rear wheel. Use the 19mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench. Install the wheel lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use the 19mm deep socket with the torque wrench. Tighten the wheel lug nuts. Tightening torque, 150 Nm, 111 foot-pounds. After finishing, complete the four-wheel alignment of the vehicle again.